You're watching ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. I'm your reporter, Bersabet Takhla, and following are the major headlines for today. Senior Eritrean delegation met with President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Award to outstanding students in Dembesembel School. President of Congo eases restrictions ahead of elections. And Nigerian military carry out airstrikes against bandit militia. On your domestic report, senior Eritrean delegation composed of Mr. Usman Saleh, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and Presidential Advisor Mr. Yamana Gebrab met today, 14 October, in Cairo, President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, and delivered message of President Isaias Afwerki regarding the tragic situation in the Sudan. In his letter, President Isaias stressed the need to bolster efforts to end the war and create the ground for durable peace by uniting current multiple initiatives. President el-Sisi thanked President Isaias for his unwavering commitment and solidarity with Sudan. President el-Sisi also stressed on the similarity of the views of the Eritrean and Egypt on the situation in Sudan. Dembesembel School in Asmara provided awards to 457 outstanding students that scored higher points in the 8th grade and National School Living Examinations of 2022-2023 academic year. At the ceremony organized today, 14 October, the director of the school, Mr. Waldebrahan Aineta, said that the awardees include 183 students that scored from 3 to 4 points in the National School Living Examination and 274 students that scored 90 in the 8th grade National Examination. Mr. Waldebrahan went on to say that the objective of the award was to encourage the outstanding students and motivate fellow students in the school to work hard for better achievement in their educational career. Mr. Johannes Kaleta, the chairman of the Parents Committee, reminded the awardees to work hard in their future educational careers and inspire other students to follow their noble example. He further noted that the achievement recorded is the result of the students' strong effort in conjunction with their parents and teachers. On your last local report, seminar focusing on strengthening bilateral relations between employers and employees, as well as on the safety of workers at workplace, was organized to business owners and employees in Haggas town, indicating that the relation between employers and employees is vital in boosting productivity and production. Mr. Tsahaye Hagos, head of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare in Ansaba region, gave briefing on the rights and obligations of workers. Mr. Takhl Haymanot Musail, Managing Director in Haggas Subzone, Ms. Fatna Haj, head of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in the subzone, on their part called for integrated effort on the part of the business owners and workers for providing timely and efficient services to customers. The business owners stated their preparedness to implement these seminars' recommendations after acknowledging its value in developing their understanding. Dear viewers, and now do stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. In a televised address on Thursday night, the President of the Democratic Republic of Congo, Félix Tshisekedi, announced a gradual and progressive reduction of restrictions into conflict-hit areas of the country. A state of siege was imposed in the eastern provinces of North Kivu and Ituri in May 2021 to suppress unrest in the region. This exceptional measure restricted public freedoms and replaced the civil administration with military and police officials. However, the move has done little to contain the many militias destabilizing the region. Now, just months before general elections scheduled for 20 December, in which he is seeking re-election, President Tshisekedi said they would be eased. This includes the lifting of a curfew, restoring the right to peaceful demonstration and assembly, and allowing the free movement of goods and people. On today's final report, Nigerian military jets have carried out airstrikes on a gathering of bandit militias, killing around 100 gunmen in the country's northwest. Two army sources and local residents said on Friday. Northwestern and central Nigerian states have for years been plagued by gangs who raided villages and killed and abducted residents for ransom in rural areas, where state presence is weak. The gangs maintain camps hidden in a vast forest straddling Zamfara, Katsina, Kaduna, and Niger states. Prior to the strikes, the military received intelligence that several gangs had converged in an area on the border between Zamfara, Kebbi, and Niger states with the intent of attacking villages and a nearby military base. The airstrike, which was carried out on Tuesday, was the second most intensive aerial operations against bandits in Zamfara since 2015, when the military deployed to fight the gangs. Dear viewers, that was all with your domestic and international reports, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Senior Eritrean delegation met with President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Award to outstanding students in Dembe School. President of Congo eases restrictions ahead of elections. And Nigerian military carry out airstrikes against the bandits militia. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.